My name is Dr. from Houston, Texas. I'm very grateful and excited to be here with you all. And we are talking today about Xtreamfx Civil Academy. I started off in Jamaica as a medical doctor, became an entrepreneur distributing automobiles. Later on, got into network marketing, been involved now for 13 years. Very grateful to be in the industry. 3 years ago, I got introduced to the idea of trading on our phones and laptops. I joined initially as an affiliate. And the main reason is that I was able to market the company to people and earn commissions. I paid a little over $100 to register when I was in Lagos, Nigeria, and started earning commissions. Company has paid my family like $500 in a month, 1,000, 2,000. And we have been at the $5,000 level before, and then we've even earned $2,500 in a week in this from this compensation plan, based on bringing in members into the community, right? So we know that we're going to grow a large organization here from the standpoint of the marketing. Now, the other side to this, well, before I jump away from the marketing, what makes the marketing so awesome is that you could make this payment one time out of your pocket. And if you market this to people, you will not have to come out of your pocket again. That's wonderful. And I've been able to use the initial investment of a little over $100 at that time, and my family has earned over $100,000 in commissions based on the number of people that were brought into the community and helped to bring into the community. So this is an amazing opportunity just on the affiliate side. Now, while being in the affiliate marketing side, I also, and my daughter, we have been learning how to trade. We have been able to use our phones and laptops and now go into the $7.3 trillion market and extract cash, right? Our daughter has done it, I've done it, and it's a new season for us because we can sit down on anywhere we are and just simply open our laptop up, which I'll show you, and you can make money. Native Spanner options, the Safe to Trade, the Core Academy, these are all aspects of the education program. You're going to need one of these education packages, whether it's $89 a month if you already have a student ID, $99 a month if you do not, and then $159 a month. All right, you're going to need the education because the education is how you'll be able to use the technology efficiently. All right, $199 a month if you want to get the US 30 Academy, that's a high level. And then our very powerful safety trade technology. I believe everybody will eventually want to have one of these as a companion, right? $599 to buy, and then $75 a month for the signals. This is a major game changer in the space of trading. But anybody who has ever tried trading before, you would probably realize that it's not easy to get to the point of like a Mark Wilson, where you can look at the charts. Let me show you what I mean. Look at charts. Let's look at some charts. Trading view, right? If you know anything about trading, right? People like Mark, he's very good at this, right? Let's look at this chart. So trading view is normally the way in which you come, look at these charts. You learn how to put in these things called trend lines, right? These horizontal lines, to call them support and resistance. So let's say you're trying to track the price here. You would like put one maybe here, and then you put another one down here. And then you come here and you put another one down here. All right, you put another one down here. Let's say down here, whereas, I'm just doing this randomly. And then you'd put another one, let's say a little bit up here, right? And then you would now do what they call coloring between the lines, and you'd mark up your charts, all right? And once you have done that, you know what they call trap the price between here and here, right? You have no trap the price, right? And then if you went ahead and you did the same thing here again to here, you know, trap the price. And then there's, there's things people who call mark, where they come and they mark up their charts. So you quickly come and do this, right? And then you've marked up your chart, right? And then you'll be waiting on this price here. In this, you're going to wait on the price here to take this off. All right. So you literally, oops. What did I do? Okay. All right, good. So you'll be waiting now for the price of this asset to either come above here and wait for what we call a retest to trade this way, or come below here, do a retest for it to trade that way. Now that is one way, but ladies and gentlemen, do what I just did and put these lines in, this, that, the other. It takes time to learn. And it takes time to do this and wait for the market to either come through here and come down below here or come above here to be able to make money. So this is one way to trade and make money. But ladies and gentlemen, you'd have to mark up many different charts, right, to be able to make money. So here's an advancement. Somebody, you know, just say progress. Come off mute and say progress. Say progress for me, right? Say progress, right,
Progress,
Maxine?
man, progress.
Progress, progress, Dr. Copeland. Progress, right? So here comes the safe trade technology, developed by Mr. Kevin Grego. He's been trading for 9 years. 3 years ago, developed it mainly for his sister to have a way to get safe trades. So instead of you going through all of what I just showed, right? All you're going to need to do is to buy this technology, set it up on your laptop, like, congratulations, Orlando. I know you're feeling pretty excited, right?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Right, I know you're very excited about your technology, right?
No, sorry, sir.
Yeah. So here's the thing, right? Instead of going now back to where would be marking up this chart, I'm putting in all of this information that I just showed you on something called Trading View, right? This is not easy because you'd have to mark up multiple charts if you want to take advantage of multiple assets. But with the trading technology, it eliminates all of that. All you're going to have to learn how to do is to, let's go down to the 1 minute time frame, right? Yeah, one minute. All you're going to do is identify that there's this nice thick line running through here called moving average. Then there's these red arrows and green arrows, right? Now, once you've been able to do that, you could literally come in here and start making money, all right? Let me show you quite simply how you could do that, right? So everything here, okay, this arrow is red, the price was above this line, so those are the first two things you identify, right? So I know Maxine is relatively new. So the red arrow pushing down along with these candlesticks above the thick red line, right? So instead of going through marking up the charts and doing all of that, which I just shared with you, instead of doing all of that, you would have been able to come here and see, okay, so the candlesticks are above, this red arrow popped up. You'd wait for all of that to happen. Everything here is now red, nice and red. Everything is nice and red, and you wait for a green, the fourth one from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 to turn green. Can anybody see that to turn green? Can anybody see that, right? So once that happens, that's your permission to come in and click right-click in this box, click trading, right? And then click new order, and it will show you where to put this and what to put on there. You'll get a training on that, right? Now, once you've done that, you would now have put in an order, right? You'd have put one above here, and you'd have put your take profit about 2 points or 2 pips above here. So if the candles push up through these 2 lines, you'd have made money. So let's see if that happened, right? Let's move forward. See, it sold. Oh, no, oops. I'm putting the candles in, I'm putting it in the wrong place. I'm putting the lines in the wrong place. Apologies. All right, it's supposed, we are waiting for this turn green. So we're trying to get it below here. We're trying to get it below here, not above. Apologies, all right? I was thinking about a buy. All right, so this green and everything red and the red arrow means that when this was going up, right, a lot of traders will believe, well, this is a reversal. It's probably going to go up this way. But what we're saying, because of the system, that it's going to go down. It's not going to go up. So we don't have to wait for it to break out and come back and then hopefully go up. All you're going to be able to do is just simply come and wait for it to push down. Now, what happened? You saw that, right? You saw that it pushed down, right? I went a little bit ahead because we should have waited until it came above here and then put it here and then wait for it to come down, which it did, all right? You'll see that it came down nicely and it was a winning trade, right? Now, this is happening over and over again. This was an example on S&P 500, but on our S&P, okay, good. And the same thing is happening on NAS, right? The same thing is happening on NAS. The same thing is happening on NAS. So I'm really grateful for this system, man. It's made my life easier. It's going to make your life so much easier. And here it is again, everything turned green. Now this one didn't change to red, but you could see that it was about to change to red. You could see it shot off into the air for a nice win, right? And then here's another one that turned red, but then the box turned from green to red, and you're not supposed to take that trade. But it still went on and won anyway, but you're not supposed to do that trade. It's called a dirty trade, right? And then here is another example of a 1 minute, everything turned green because it shot up quickly, but it was really a sell, right? Everything here was red, turned green. shot up, okay? And if you're putting a line down here waiting for a sell, a dirty sell, it came back down like crazy and sold off, okay? And it's still selling off, okay, in the evening here. Now here's the thing. Instead of marking up one chart as I've shown you, you could be looking at NAS 100, you could be looking at the US 30, you could be looking at the German 30, you could be looking at gold. I saw Orlando doing some stuff with gold. Look at this nice, look at these nice buys. Look at this, right? The green arrows here, the price was below the thick red line. Everything was nicely lined up. Look at this, all green, green arrow. It's right here, right? First turn red, this turn red, then everything is green, 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 green. This turn red, you come in and you put in an order for a buy. You put in a buy just above here. When this turned red for the first time, you come here because it looks like it's about to push down. But you come here, you're putting one line there. And you can put another one a little bit above. That's about 2 pips. And let's see what happened. See, gold shot through for a win. And then did it do it again? Let me just take this off my screen. Man, I'm going to make a lot of money in gold. Everybody in here is going to make a lot of money in gold. All right, so it came down like it was selling off again, like it was coming down. But the system says, no, it's still going to buy. You could have put in another order. In this case, you'd have put it a little bit higher. All right, so let's see. You'd have put it a little bit above there. And then this should be a little bit above here. And let's see what happened. Boom, another win on gold. So you'd have won this one here. Right, and of course, if you were here, this one is another win. This is a nice big one, nice big win here. This is another one. So this is gold, right? This is just gold. It started sometime here earlier today when everything turned green. Gold was buying. All right, this turned red, pushing down, give you an opportunity to enter the buy. A second one, gold pushed down again, give you an opportunity to enter the buy. A third one, pushed down, but this one broke the back. You're not supposed to do that. You'd have left that one alone. But then it happened again where everything turned green, this turned red. You have another opportunity, that's another buy. So just right here in about the space of about 2 hours, 1, 2, 3 trades. What if you want $30 here, $30 here, $30 here? That's almost $100. What if you want another $30 off this one? It's another one that happened again. See, it shot up again. Here's another one. That's 5, right? And it's also a win. 5 trades on just gold right here in front of everybody on the 1 minute time frame. Does the 5 minute time frame? Just double check. Wow, the 5 minute time frame. Okay, it's green. Back is green. Nice. Right. So from here, it's been green. So that supports those trades. And then you look at the 15 minute. The 15 minutes is setting up for a sell. So when you're taking those 1 minute buys, you have to be very careful because the 15 minute on gold is about to sell. And then the 30 minute is supporting the 15 minute sell. And then there's going to be a 1 hour. A 1 hour supports the sell. And the 4 hour is a buy overall. So you have to be mindful that on the 1 minute and the 5 minutes, it's a good idea to have some buys because the 4 hour is on a buy. And in between that, you could also take advantage of some sells. So ladies and gentlemen, what did I mean? This is so fantastic, right? Look at this. You know, all the time we hear about gold. You know, let's look at silver. What's going on with silver, right? On the 1 minute. See some more sell opportunities on silver here. Everything was red, it's turned green, right? It was pushing up, bam. You'd have been able to win that trade going down. Everything turned red, it's turned green right here. You could see a little green dot. Give you an opportunity to quickly put in a trade, you win again. Another one, that's third one on silver. And then the structure changed. You have to be very careful there. But the structure came back to red. And then wait for the green, shot up, and it shot back down for you to get a win again. Ladies and gentlemen, over and over again. Not to mention like a currency pair like AUD USD. What if you went on AUD USD? 1 minute time frame, let's look at the 5 minute, it's green, nice, nice, nice. All right, let's look how many opportunities there were today, just today alone, if you were trading AUD USD. It's on an uptrend, okay? You could see here was the first one. Everything was green right here, turned red. When you push down here, you put in an order, you'd have won that, all right? And then wait again, wait again, wait again. All right, there's another one, push down below the line, you put in another order, look what happened, shut up again, all right? Take out these lines. All right, and there, stay there. All right, guys. All right, there's another one. Okay, it came down below the line. You put in an order. It shot up again for a win. It came down, right? You have to be a little careful. You know, don't be too greedy because this is 1, 2, 3 already that you won. All right, and then this turned red, and then the bot broke. When the bot breaks, you're not supposed to do that trade, right? Leave that alone. Wait for it to reset. It did. Let's see if it did it again. You got a permission right here. Put in another trade. Okay, you put in a trade. You see you got another win. That's number 4. It came again. The box stayed green. You put in another. It went up. That's number 5. It went again. Came back down. This is like a feeding tree. It went red again. You put in another trade. Oh my gosh. This is just one asset that you could have just sat down on for a couple of hours and just collect the money. Ladies and gentlemen, this happens over and over again. The only thing you need to be successful, the main thing you need to be successful in trading is patience. That's the main thing. Because the time it takes to wait for this to come down and touch here and come back up, right? But you say, oh, I don't have the time to sit on a computer. All right, I get it. I understand. Then all you have to do then is pay for the scanner, $75 a month. And what this does, it gives you messages on what to trade, right? $75 a month, and you get over 200 symbols coming to you to tell you what you're supposed to trade, right? Now, if you look at it, NAS 100, S&P 500, and let's look at currency pairs. Okay, there's nothing new at the moment on that. It's called crypto. Okay, great. All right, there's a new trade idea that just came in on XRP USD. It's a buy, and it's saying that we can jump into that trade. Right? Let's go and look at what's going on with it. I haven't gone on mark up any charts. So the days of marking up charts, ladies and gentlemen, is coming to a fast close because here's a buy opportunity. It's gone already. Relate. All right, see, it's red, right? Green, 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 red. But then it's already gone. It's already gone through the roof. XRP USD, right? So that's a win. But we didn't get there in time, right?
New safety trade alert.
Let's see what's the other one. OMG BIT, right? I don't mess around with that. That's not even in my list. But ladies and gentlemen, this technology is a game changer. So tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Jamaica time, right? That's just before our Train the Trainers call that I've been commissioned to do today. All right, let's jump on here for about half an hour. I'll do a presentation, I'll show and answer some questions before we jump into our Train the Trainers call. Let's go ahead and invite as many people as we can because this should not be a secret, okay? We should not keep this to ourselves. We should share it with others, all right? It's a very simple, easy technology to use. You just identify the colors, right? Where everything else is the same color, like right here, everything was green, just turn red. You put an order in just above the line, right? So you put an order in just above here, and then you put your take profit for like 2 pips. Don't be greedy, go for like 2 pips, and then look what happened, right? You won the trade. So if you just go for small bites at a time, you'll be able to be okay. If you're trying to go for big bites and big chunks, you may find yourself running into some challenges, right? But this is a super fantastic system that is user-friendly, easy to understand. You just need to be able to identify the difference between red and green, and being able to look at the higher and lower time frames. There's some advanced stuff with this, with filling the gaps, sells and buys, and how to trade dirty buys and dirty sells. That's the name that's been given to them. For those that have the 1 minute time frame maybe on one color, and the 5 minute time frame maybe on a different color. Like right here it's red, and then let's say on 1 minute time frame it's green here. So there's a specific way to trade that, and you're not supposed to do that as a beginner. Okay, so let's just stick with the clean, nice, easy trades that are safe for us to be able to make sure that you can grow your trading account, develop your testimony, and be happy about what it is that you have. XRP BIT again. So just loads upon loads of trades that we get from the system. I'm very grateful that we have the system. And if you do not yet have yours, and Maxine, I know you haven't gotten yours yet, and go ahead and get yours and get it installed, and Mark is going to support you in helping getting everything going. All right. So with that said, any questions from anyone? Anyone has any questions for me?
Hello, Maxine here.
Yes.
Hello.
Go ahead.
What you were saying in the beginning, that we have to purchase this?
Yes, correct. Yes, we pay Xtream for the education, which is $99 a month, or if you want to be an affiliate, you pay $99 a month, right, to be in the program. Mm-hmm. That's the education. To be in school to learn, right? Then the technology, if you want to use the technology, you buy this for $599. The $599 covers a license to use this for 1 full year. So you'll have this for 1 entire year. And then you pay $75 per month to receive the signals from this system. The system that you heard that said safety trade alert, the system here, you pay $75 a month so that you have the system sending you these messages so that you'll know what to trade. But you also have the technology to look at the charts, different charts, and be able to identify trades on your own without waiting on the technology. Is that clear?
Yeah.
All right, wonderful, wonderful. Is another nice 1 minute sell, you know, but at close of the day, can't miss with Darren. But when the market opens back up tonight, it's on and popping, right? Because some sales are going on NAS, S&P, and US 30. Some nice sales are lined up on this thing. Right up to the 1 hour. The only thing that's buying right now is the 4 hour, which is great, but there's a nice amount of pips between here and here, and who knows, it might just sell off and come nicely below this before it buys back up. But some really nice sells are lined up for this asset tonight. All right, so if you're trading the seeds, look out for this tonight. We're going to be able to make some good money trading this tonight. I'll be trading it for sure. All right. Thank you, Maxine, for your questions. And of course, marketing this company to people allows you to earn commissions. You could use those commissions and buy your technology. That's what I did. You could buy it out of your pocket up front if you want. Nothing wrong with that. Some of our members absolutely go about it that way. But you can also do the marketing first, earn your commissions, and use that to buy the technology. And even use those commissions to put into your trading account. So, yep. All right, thank you. Anyone else? All right, ladies and gentlemen. So tonight at 8 p.m. Jamaica time, 9 p.m. Eastern Caribbean time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, let's load up the line, all right?